What have we got here?
A red door.
This is Cooper's stripper. Cooper's, the stripper that gets it off every time. No sanding, so easy. None of that toxic, messy dust floating around. We're done. Yes. I would get this door done in a day by myself, but it's now halfway through the day, so we've got George with us to make up the time. So this is the stripper, this is Cooper's stripper, and as it works its way through, we keep it wet with additional stripper. You see I'm actually just using one hand, and there's no need for two hands at this point. If there's parts that haven't gone all the way through, then that's no drama, you'll be putting a bit more stripper on. This is our 4-edged blade, and this longer edge has got these extensions that are ideal for getting into these parts. Jordan's stolen my blade.
Mine now.
Everything we scrub is wet, so there's no dust. The person that made this door sanded it. What I'm going to do now is put one more coat of stripper on. This is now going to get into the grain and get rid of all this varnishy stained stuff. You can just cruise through this door in a day. See all that onto the rag. This is the rinse part. Now we have a saying, and that is the wet look is the finish look. So whatever the new finishes you put on, it's going to soak in and isn't going to fail. This is ready for any finish. So we're going to speed things up. See you at the end. This is now ready for any finish. You can paint it, hopefully not. You can polyurethane it and then restrip it in 5 years. Or you can
Moisturiser it.
So George, put a big blob in there please. One of the cool things about Moisturiser, as I show you, it's like a leather care for wood finish. It doesn't matter how hot it is, how cold it is, how humid it is, how dusty it is, it just doesn't matter. And we slop it on. The ingredients in Moisturiser, none of them mix with water. And why that's important, any moisture that gets on it just beads off. We call it a living finish.
Just trying to get off all the excess. You notice I'm not using some specialist buffing pad or anything like that. This is literally a cotton rag.
Look at the glow, the mellow glow. It's just stunning.
Now this will improve over time. Every time you moisturise it and give it another feed, it will get better and better and better. You know, we mow our lawns, we do our gardens, do all that sort of thing. So what's half an hour to an hour a year to keep your door looking $1 million? So it's all buffed off and the whole door is done in a day. Lots of projects out there that you can do in a day. We're done. Yes. And so thanks for George being here, otherwise I would have been working in the dark. Haven't got a front door to do, but you've got a garage door to do, or you've got your weatherboards to do, a deck, maybe it's the project car, who knows what it is, furniture.
Metal, brick, concrete, plaster.
Exactly. So send us a photograph, send us what you're looking at doing, and we'll give you an idea of what you're up for, and all the ins and outs. And we've probably got a video on it somewhere lurking. So, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time on who knows what. So,
Till next time, guys.
till next time.
Bye.
Cooper's, the stripper that gets it off every time. No sanding, so easy. None of that toxic, messy dust floating around.